Ladies and gentlemen, for parent, what is Minecraft? Hey Aiden, how is it going?
It's going fine.
Okay, explain to people what is Minecraft.
Minecraft is just a game where you can play and have fun, and you can go online with your friends. The main goal is to beat the Ender Dragon, and there's stuff you have to do to get Ender Eyes. Ender Eyes you need to get from the Nether, and some other stuff.
Okay, so what make people want to play Minecraft? Why Minecraft and not other games?
Because it's infinite, it's infinite possibilities, almost infinite possibilities. There's millions of seeds. It's like when you make a world, it generates a seed, or you can put in a seed which has already been made. So basically, it's almost impossible to replicate because it generates a seed every time, and every seed is different.
Okay,
and it's fun, and there's so many things to do.
So you learn anything from this game?
Well, I mean, I don't. Look, it's more like a fun game, but it's also Minecraft Learning Edition, which you can learn from.
So how many years have you been playing this game?
Since like 2017, maybe.
So like 3 years ago, 4 years ago?
Yeah, more than that.
And you collaborate with your friend, and you build that friendship.
Yeah, we just
online.
made a realm server today, which is fun.
So who's the most famous people or channel on YouTube right now?
The most channel on Minecraft, in terms of subscribers, is DNTM. But the fastest growing channel I think is Dream, because he only started out in 2000, he only started getting big in 2020, and now he already has 18 million subscribers, and his videos have millions of views, and it's really good. I like them.
So Aiden, who is SS Sniper Wolf?
Well, I don't watch that one much, but it's like a commentary, It's just reaction stuff.
So what's the most popular world arena servers that you were talking about right now?
What do you mean most? Oh, servers. So there's servers that's open to the public. In terms of Pocket Edition, it's mostly Mineplex. But for Java, I think it's probably Hypixel.
So another question: what is Minecraft Short?
Minecraft Shorts. It's like a little skit, it's like a joke, and it has it's only a few seconds, but it has a joke, and it's kind of funny. It's like a comic strip, but it's in Minecraft.
Oh.
Kind of.
So is that the most popular game right now?
It's one of the most popular. It actually has been dying since 2012, I don't know, something around that. But anyway, PewDiePie kind of revived it, and now there's a lot. And then Mojang made a couple of updates, and now everyone's playing it, so it's fun.
So earlier you were playing with your friend online, right? So what were you guys doing online playing?
We made a realm server. We were playing on it. There was a big server, so we can run around in it. We could explore. We could mine stuff.
So for parents, I want to know, is this game good for the kid? What would you tell parents?
It's fine. It's it's not that bad. If you go and check it, it's I think it's 10 plus because of fantasy violence.
So can parent play with the kids? That's the question.
Well, not all parents, because some parents kind of are just clueless and doesn't know what what Minecraft is.
Like me, clueless.
Unless they really played it before.
Right. So you guys play together, and you guys create you guys go into this world.
Yeah, and we can make stuff. Yeah.
And then you're using axe. Explain what kind of axe do you have in the game?
Axe? What are you talking about?
Like throwing axe.
Wood? Like weapons?
Yeah, weapons.
We usually have swords. It's just defending yourself against mobs. You also have to get food and stuff. There's pickaxes and all sorts of stuff.
What about stone? There's different type of stone, right?
Well, I mean, there's not much types of stone, but there's some more. There's stone. You could count bedrock maybe as a stone. Obsidian is a stone. Flying obsidian is also a stone. And Blackstone is also a stone.
Okay, what kind of animal are in the game?
Well, most of the mobs, like in real life, there's polar bears, there's like sheep, there's pigs. A lot of them are fine. There's also angry mobs, like things that want to hurt you, basically.
So I saw a video today of some kind of piglet farm, and there's a terracotta sort of you can dig up
Yeah.
terracotta army
Oh.
or no?
Well, I don't really specialize in farming. I just play it like everyone else. I mean, sure, some people might make a pickle farm if they need a lot of gold, but yeah.
Okay, so you'll continue playing this and you'll just play it until it
Whenever.
die though?
Yeah, I guess
Which
so.
I don't know if it ever will. Would
Yeah,
it?
well, Fortnite is dying, so yeah.
Fortnite dying, so they're back to Minecraft. So that is quite interesting, guys. So that conclude our interview with Mr. Aiden Dam, who is a fanatic Minecraft player. So any final last word for the users?
Bye-bye. I like Minecraft a lot, though.
Okay, bye bye till next time. We'll do another review of some Minecraft game.
Okay, bye.
Bye.